Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Give it a moment to complete its startup process so everything runs smoothly during the installation. Once your PC is up and running, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu. You'll find this icon located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. From here, you'll see a search bar where you can type commands and search for applications. In the search bar, type CMD. This will bring up the command prompt application, which is essential for running system commands on your Windows computer. However, you won't just click on it normally. Instead, you need to run it with administrator privileges to ensure the installation command works properly. Look for the option that says Run as Administrator and click on it. This gives the command prompt the necessary permissions to make system-level changes. Now, your command prompt window will open with a black background and white text. This is where you'll execute the command to download and install Microsoft Store. If you're missing the Microsoft Store app from your Windows 11 system, there's a specific line of code you'll need to run that will handle the entire download and installation process for you. I'll be displaying this code on screen, and you can pause the video here to copy it accurately. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown to avoid any errors. Once you've typed or pasted the code into your command prompt window, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This will initiate the download and installation process automatically. You'll see some text appearing in the command prompt as the system processes your request and begins downloading the Microsoft Store application files. Now, all you need to do is wait patiently while the download and installation completes. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and system performance, but it typically only takes a few minutes. You'll know the process is complete when the command prompt finishes displaying text and returns to a normal command line. At this point, your Microsoft Store will be fully installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 device. You can now access it from your Start menu just like any other application and begin downloading apps, games, and software from the Microsoft Store library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.